Pardon the shaky video, but here's another 3D project I've been working on. This box you can find on Thingiverse. I think it's just called a heavy duty box. Anyway, it's got a TPU rubber seal, keep moisture out. It's not waterproof per se, but what I turned it into was a power box to power my telescopes. So if I turn it on now, it uses a lithium battery. Let me show you. And I just left this to lift out, but you can see it's using a 3200 milliamp 6S pack. Now I've got a buck converter back there that's converting the 22 volts down to 12, and you'll see that here. All this stuff I bought on eBay. This is from an old telescope thing that I had. It allows me to plug in my hand box or provide power from here. I can plug my telescope hand box in and power it up if I need to look at something. It's got a 12 volt cigarette lighter type. It's got two USB 2.1 amp slots, but when I turn it on, you'll see it shows the voltage here. This is a Lipo alarm. It looks at each cell of the lithium polymer battery and lets you know what each cell is at. And will also, you heard it beep, it'll also start screaming at you if you go below a set amount of voltage. I forget what I've got it set to per cell. So if one of the cells, I've got it set to 3.4, I believe. So if one of the cells drops to, it's adjustable, there's a little button you can adjust. If one of the cells drops below 3.4, it'll start screeching at me and let me know, don't kill your lipo, right? So basically I built this. It's all 3D printed. This I got on eBay for about $13. Again, this was off an old telescope. This, I got two of these for, I think, $6. Had these banana lead gizmos. So basically it was very cheap except for the battery pack. Now that's an old Flight Power from, my God, 10 years ago, I think. Remember, this isn't high amp. My telescope draws what? Maybe an amp and a half, 2 amps. Maybe my 14-inch will draw 3, and that's about it. So this thing will power my telescopes for possibly days. Okay. So anyway, just thought I'd share my box with you. The USB ports are going to be great. I've got a little TV box that I converted into a Sky Safari kind of thing. You link your phone to it via Wi-Fi, and it's hooked to the scope, and basically you can use your phone as a telescope control as well. So that'll be great for powering that, any kind of other USB stuff I need. Telescope will plug in here. Got 12 volt out here for anything that I need to with banana leads. So anyway, and I even put my name on it. Anyway, so cool power box, compact, works the champ. And there you go. Check it out. Enjoy.